In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Mailchimp to create an API key effectively. Whether you're managing email campaigns or integrating with another service, understanding how to generate an API key on Mailchimp is essential for seamless interaction with the platform. Let's dive into the process together and ensure you feel confident with each step. First, we begin by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL for Mailchimp. Once you're at the home page, you'll need to log in if you aren't already. Make sure you're using your credentials and not someone else's, as security is crucial when managing accounts online. Once logged in, let's move to the upper right corner of the screen where you will see your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, the option you're looking for is simply labeled Profile. Give that a click to access your account details. Now that you're in your profile settings, you're going to look for the tab marked Extras located near the top of the page. By selecting Extras, a list of additional features becomes available. Among these options, you will find API keys. Go ahead and select that option. The API keys page is where you manage all your keys, create new ones, and see their current status. On this page, you'll notice a button to create a new key. This will be labeled Create a Key. Click on this button and you'll be prompted to provide a reason for generating this new API key. It could be something as simple as integration with another service or a new campaign project. Enter your description with clarity so you remember its use later. After explaining the reason, you're ready to generate the key. Click on Generate Key, and within seconds, your new API key will appear on the screen. This part is crucial. Before you do anything else, make sure you click Copy to Clipboard. It's important to store the key somewhere safe, maybe a secure document on your computer or in a password manager, because once you close this window by clicking Done, you won't be able to see or copy the key again directly from Mailchimp. Finally, after you've securely stored your API key, click Done to complete the process. Congratulations, you've just successfully created an API key on Mailchimp, setting the foundation for secure and efficient management of your integrations. Hopefully, this guide has made it easy for you to follow along. Remember, a well-organized approach can significantly smooth out potentially tricky processes like this one. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.